Hey there, it's Melissa. I am here with my weekly in-store ALDI Finds video for the week of April 30th through May 6th. As you may know or may not have heard yet, it's Disney week, so we have a ton of amazing Disney in this video. Wait till you see. Now, I'm trying to post it as early as I can because my store had a ton left, so don't be afraid to go to your store. It may have a lot left still. Go check it out. Let's start with this coleslaw. I didn't know it has like a cult following. Everybody says it tastes like the KFC. Everybody was so excited that it's back. I'm going to try it. We got this burrata filling. I am super excited to try this. Have you tried all these burrata? Here it is. It's amazing. Burrata is like a fresh mozzarella, but even softer. So I can't wait to taste that filling one. We got the pasta salads, the classic and the ranch and bacon. They are both so good. $1 for the box. You can't beat it. The herring fillets, if you like herring and not tried these, I hear they're amazing. Not a herring girl myself. $1.69. We have the German style pickles. $2.99. We have the cornichons, am I saying that correctly, with garlic. I think we can almost always know I'm not saying it correctly. $2.69. We have these Bavarian meats, little meat sticks, and I didn't even realize there's an original and a spicy one. Did that say 19 cents? We got these cookies. I don't know how to pronounce them, but I am obsessed. $3.49. They are so good. We have the Dopolino cookies, 3 different flavors. And these are $3.49. We have the hummus crisp, the sweet chili, and the feta, garlic, and herb. I bet those are good. $2.49. We have the Mexican style street corn kettle chips. Let me know if you try those. I have a feeling they're good. $1.95. We have these mini chocolate cheesecake bites. They look delicious. I will be trying them. $3.99. We have the LibG free gluten-free pizza dough. That is so incredible that they have that. $3.29. We have the children's little gardening tools. They are just precious. There's a lot to pick from there. They are so cute. $3.99. We have the graduation cards. There was a nice amount to pick from. And for 99 cents, like I always say, you cannot beat it. These solar decorative little metal lanterns are so cute. They do have a little handle on there so you can hang them on a hook. $7.99. We have the fairy garden kit. I think there's 3 different ones to pick from. I will have my sneak peek in the description below. Here are 2 different ones. $12.99. We have the children's potting bench. This is adorable. $29.99. We've got the gardening tools with the beautiful patterns on them. $9.99. We have these adorable paint your own little flower pots. So there's the rainbow one and the butterfly one, and those are $3.99. We have this foldable garden bag, garden tools bag, $9.99. We have the children's gardening set. 2 or 3 to pick from. Here's 2 of them. I think it is just the 2. We have these adorable pots. One's a little teapot with a handle, and then the watering can, $9.99. We have the knee pads for the garden. Those are $6.99. We've got the gardening gloves. There were so many to pick from. Really cute patterns. Those are the different ones to pick from. For $2.99. We have this soft mini dress. It was super soft. 3 different colors to pick from. $12.99. We've got the Bermuda jegging in the 2 different denim colors. $8.99. We've got the capri jeggings. So 3 different colors. One of them looks flared, that lighter denim. $8.99. We have the garden clogs, men's and ladies. $8.99. We've had the ladies woven slides. These are really pretty. $7.99. We have the Visage heatless hair accessories. There's different colors to pick from and what comes in each box. $5.99. These are gorgeous. These are wax melts. They are so beautiful. Really just so pretty. $5.99. We have this hybrid dress. I never figured it out. I thought it was the one that has the shorts in it. I think it changes length. $14.99. We have these puzzle books. They're like a really nice, like almost leather feeling cover. They're beautiful books. $4.99. We have these books, the letters to my little boy, letters to my daughter. And then there's other ones. I think it's hard to read what they say. I'm sorry, but again, I'll have the sneak peek attached in the description. I was trying, they're just too dark to read. $9.99. We have these really nice diffuser and candle gift sets. Here are 3 different scents that I found available. Those are $7.99. These are absolutely gorgeous. This 3-segment candle. Look at the glass, the beautiful flowering. Oh, they're so pretty. 12, that's $8.94. We've got this wine cooler bag. Here's 2 different patterns that I saw. And then there's also a regular cooler bag. Right, wine and a beverage cooler bag. Okay, Disney backpacks for the kids or for the moms. They're just smaller. They are adorable. Absolutely adorable. $14.99. We have the Disney wallets. Look how cute these are. They're really nice. They have, like, when you open them up, they're beautiful wallets. We've got the, these are the, so they're like embossed with the little bows, the tops in the white and the green that match the skirt that also has the bows embossed into the material in the white and the green. Cute little matchy set. We've got the earrings. Look how precious they are. They are so cute. And there's the mini necklace. Absolutely adorable. $4.99. These are the Disney pots. They are actually, I should have held my hand up. They're not a bad size. $9.99. The Disney water bottles. Look at that black one with the mini. That is so beautiful. $9.99. We have the sneakers. So remember, we have these in the ladies, toddlers, and kids. There's the 3 different ones. It was super crowded, so I was trying to stay out of the way. Here's the Disney ears. Tons to pick from. Again, I'll have the sneak peek attached below. $4.99. We have the hats. So we have some baseball hats, and we have some bucket hats. Super cute. $6.99. The doormat. I think there are 4 different ones to pick from. That one is a mini. They were so heavy, so I'm sorry I couldn't show you that well. We have the pillows. They are adorable. And there's a bunch to pick from. Hang on, I'm going to pull out the box. They have all the different choices. Right there are the different ones that you have available to pick from. We've got the chicken nuggets. The Disney chicken nuggets. They have these every once in a while throughout the year. Sorry for the lack of prices. The crispy circles are delicious. $2.62. The mini tacos, beef, chicken, and Southwest veggie. No price on that. My store is great at stocking up, but the prices have been lacking lately. Frozen dog treats. Dog certified by my grandpuppy. We've got these root beer vanilla cream ice cream floats are so yummy. Get them. Okay, no prices makes it easier. I can show you. We've got the pretzels in the 2 different sizes. They have the apple strudel and the fruits of the forest strudel, both incredible. The spinach and ricotta strudel, also incredible. And they have these indulgent cakes that are delicious. There's so much good stuff this week. The 2-bite on the lemons. I have those inside. I should have tasted them already. $3.69. We got this carrot sliced loaf cake with the icing. $3.99. And we have this butter pound cake that looked delicious. And that is $3.79. Let me know what you're most excited for. Are you a Disney girl or not? Or your kids? Were you excited? I did hear there was some people lined up at the store this morning, but I was pleasantly surprised with how much was left. So like I said, don't be afraid to go check out your store. There's probably some left. Well, all right, everybody, don't forget to subscribe. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon.